Meet Zebra. He was a very serious and grave animal. He always said, "I am too busy to play." But one day, Zebra started to hiccup. Hic, hic. He tried to ignore it, but the hiccups did not stop. His friends wanted to help. Tiger said, "Hold your breath and say the alphabet." Dog said, "Drink water upside down." Zebra said, "No, that is silly." But then something strange happened. His beautiful black stripes started to disappear and change. Zebra was very scared. He did not look like a zebra anymore. Zebra finally listened to his friends. He tried every method. He jumped on one foot with the elephants. He did a handstand and sang with the crocodile. Everyone laughed together. Finally, Madame Duck splashed him with cold water. It was a big shock, but the hiccups stopped. His stripes came back. Zebra was so happy and said, "Thank you, everyone." Now he is never too busy to play with his friends.